While the trim out continues inside, the landscaping keeps moving ahead outside. The irrigation system is complete and the trenches are filled so that the landscape crew can start clearing the ground and marking the locations for planting. The holes for the larger trees will come first since they require the most equipment for digging. Each spot has been carefully matched to Paul's drawing for the landscape, so these guys aren't just setting these things on a whim.
No, come on around.
Each tree is intended for a specific spot, and getting it there requires some mechanical help as well. You don't just roll these things in on a wheelbarrow. But boy, do they make a difference. One thing that's great about planning all of your landscaping from scratch is you're able to strategically place bushes and trees to provide a visual block to something that may not look so good. This is what we're doing with this evergreen tree. It looks great right here on the corner, right by the master bedroom addition, but it's going to block the view of the two air conditioning condenser units that will be sitting on those pads a little bit later today. Now, over here, we're trying to create more privacy for the backyard and block out the view of the neighbors here. So river birch here, 2 holly trees will do a very good job in screening all of that out. By the way, we're also putting this great water feature, nice fountain right against the fence right there. Always looks good in a backyard. Then we have another river birch that'll really flower out really nice, and then 3 magnolia trees here that will also bush out and block the view of the old building that we have behind it. Now, just like we're blocking the view of the air conditioning system, we're also going to put a circle of shrubs around our Generac generator. Doesn't look bad, but it'll look a lot better with all of the plants all around it. But here's a very important part of this. A lot of people plant plants around generators or air conditioning systems, but you got to leave a little room for you to be able to work on them if any problems occur, but also for them to operate properly. You got to have that air circulation around any air conditioning system or generator.